name's Millie and this is my first video, and what we are going to make today is some amazing bacon, egg and cheese muffins. These are amazing. I've got all my equipment ready. Let's go. I've preheated my oven to 200 degrees on the fan, and the first ingredient we are going to add is self-raising flour. We are going to measure out 120 grams of self-raising flour. There we go. Put that to the side. Next we are going to add our baking powder. We're going to add half a teaspoon. It needs to be level. Pop that in. Now we are going to stir it with our finger, like that. Now to add our cheese, I've just got a little ramekin full of mozzarella and cheddar. Pop that in. Just going to give that a mix with our hand. There we go. And lastly, for our dry ingredients, we will add our cooked bacon. I cooked some bacon and just broke it into little chunks, so we're going to throw that in now. Yum. So you're just mixing it up perfectly till everything's coated in flour and baking powder. So that's all mixed up. I'm going to go wash my hands now. My hands are all washed, and now in a smaller bowl we are going to do our wet ingredients. So you want to start with 50 mils of olive oil, like that. Next we want 125 mils of milk. I'm using semi-skimmed. To add one egg, just give it a crack. And crack it in. So now I'm going to go wash my hands. So now we're just going to mix, give it a good whisk, mix this up, crack the yolk, which is fun. Now see when it's done. So now we are going to put this in our dry ingredients, like that. We're going to start off with our spatula. Just give it, you want to fold it in, go round, round. So then when it's a bit like this, to get an electric mixer, plug it in and put it on a low speed. And I'll see when that's mixed. I'm nearly done. It's nearly fully mixed and it's looking delicious. This recipe, if you had more normal size bun cases, I'm using little muffin cases like that. But if you have bigger muffin cases, then you'll get about 5 to 6, and you use tablespoon measurement. You have to just scoop out the mix, a good generous amount, and spoon it into your bun case, just like that. And it will rise, so you want it to be about that low down, like that. Well, I'm surprised, out of our batch we actually got a dozen, so that's actually good for my family, because my family love these and we're going to be fighting over them. They're really good, and at the end I'm going to have a taste test with some of our family members. So at the moment we are going to put these in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes and we'll see how they come out. And whilst you're waiting for them to bake, we'll clean up. I've cleaned up. When it's all clean and tidy for you, you can do whatever you want. They're smelling amazing. And now I can do what I like. Well, they held their breath away. Teacher, then she just smiled. I was in the seventh heaven when I kissed the teacher. What a mad day! Ding! Oh, yeah, they're ready. By the way, they went in for about 17 minutes because they're smaller, so they cook faster. I'm gonna open them up. Ooh, they're looking good. Ooh, steamy. Smells so good in here. These look amazing. I'm so excited to place them all out, let them cool, and then have the taste test at the end with some of my family members. Bye. So they're all out the pan. Got them all on a little board, and we have 2 taste testers here.
They look delicious.
The name of
Smell nice.
this taste tester,
Is Dad.
Simon. This
Mum.
Louise.
Can I go in?
We're going to chop one in half for you. So these are bacon, egg and cheese muffins.
Ooh.
So we're going to take off the wrapper.
They smell really good.
These are good in like packed lunches and for a snack or for breakfast.
Oh, I hadn't thought of them for breakfast.
Right. Oh, you can both take a half. Ooh, they're really spongy on the inside.
That looks really, really tasty.
You didn't even wait.
I didn't quite. They're too good. If you don't want your half, I'll help you.
Okay.
Really good.
They go.
Oh man, these are really good.
Really good. You need to make lots more of these, please, in all the different varieties.
Okay.
No.
What do you think next? Spinach, bell peppers? Spinach and bell peppers?
Oh,
What do you want next? Spinach and bell peppers?
What, in these?
I'd like a smoked salmon.
Or
roll
ricotta and basil?
with
Do you know what I'd be tempted to do?
watercress.
This might sound weird, but I'd be tempted to dip one of these into maple syrup.
I mean, I can see that because it's
Because
eggs.
I love maple and bacon together.
Yeah, because it's eggs and bacon.
That would work.
So.
But
I
you
guess-
could do all sorts.
Put that back.
You know what else I might like? Something like feta and spinach, or feta and pepper.
Oh. Right. What is it out of 10?
10.
Ooh.
10. You need to taste it again. Get up!
What are we doing?
Number
Oh, out of
10.
10.
I might need another one too.
I need another one. I can't work it out without another one.
Fine.
Okay.
Keep them all.
No. I would go. I don't know what else I could ask for.
So it's
I'm going to say 10.
Ah.
I couldn't ask for much more from that. It's great and bacony.
Tasty.
Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you for letting me taste.
Thank you.
I mean, these are going to be gone in about 2 days.
2 days.
one.
2 days.
Oh,
20 minutes.
Right. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed it.